So guys, if you have this 2024 version of Amazon Echo Spot and if you want to change its Wi-Fi to switch to a new network or reconnect to an existing one in case you have changed your Wi-Fi name, password, you want to use a Wi-Fi extender, let's go ahead and see how you can do that. For that, let's open the Alexa app, navigate yourself to the devices list, to Echo Spot, from there to Echo Spot settings, and then go straight to change or remove a Wi-Fi network. Now just in case if you want to reconnect to an existing Wi-Fi network, you can tap on it and from here either you can connect to that network or forget it. In our case, I want to connect with an entirely new network. Now either you want to reconnect or change, don't worry, the process is exactly the same. So I'm going to tap on join another Wi-Fi network. And as prompted, now you just need to press and hold this volume up and down button for about 15 seconds till it goes into setup mode showing a QR code. Now as soon as it does, just press continue on your Alexa app. Yes, it's showing yellow light. Select your Echo Spot's name if it's showing multiple devices name. Let it search for the nearby Wi-Fi networks, and when it does, choose the network that you want to connect your spot to. Type in the correct password and then simply tap on connect. And that's it, your Wi-Fi is changed on your Echo Spot. And every time you change Wi-Fi on your Echo Spot, you'll need to reset up your Echo Spot with the Alexa app. And that's how you can change or reconnect to any Wi-Fi on your Echo Spot. Thanks for watching.